so happy that within the 45 days of the signing of the final papers ensure that work should commence in Taveuni. We are ready to. The rest of the Lalabalavu clan, well, we stand ready. Our doors are open. Should you require our assistance, we'll be available and ready to assist you in whatever way we could, and not forgetting the rest of the mataqalis as well.
Electricity is one of the main things that will upgrade the potential of industry. This will bring more industry and investment into the village. Right now, for myself, I spend about $100 a week on super so I can have electricity.